Are you curious about transforming your financial life? Today, we're unveiling the key benefits of The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, coupled with our exclusive guide. This isn't just about managing money, it's about mastering it. First, discover the secret to making smarter financial decisions. We'll reveal how emotions and biases, often unnoticed, shape your financial choices. Imagine gaining the tools to not just recognize these influences, but to outsmart them. Next, explore the true meaning of wealth. It's not what you think. We'll guide you through the difference between temporary riches and lasting wealth. Picture yourself building a financial foundation that offers real freedom and security. Ever felt overwhelmed by financial uncertainties? We'll turn that around. Our guide takes you through mastering risk and embracing uncertainty, equipping you to thrive even in unpredictability. Long-term financial success isn't a mystery. We'll unlock the strategies of compounding, patience, and goal-aligned investments. This is about creating a future where financial stress is a thing of the past. And lastly, we confront the often overlooked social influences on your finances. You'll learn to navigate these tricky waters, staying true to your financial goals amidst societal pressures. This book, combined with our guide, isn't just a reading experience. It's a life-changing journey. Stay with us as we dive deep into each of these benefits. If you're ready to take control of your financial destiny, hit subscribe and embark on this transformative journey with us. Part 1. Behavioral Economics. First up, let's dive into behavioral economics, a field where our emotions and experiences profoundly impact our financial decision-making. Step 1. Recognize the impact of emotions and biases. Start by recognizing how emotions such as fear or biases like overconfidence can influence your financial decisions. Reflect on your past choices. Can you see instances where emotions have played a role? Next, create a strategy to counteract these influences. For example, set a personal rule against making quick investment decisions during market downturns, helping you avoid choices driven by panic. Step 2. Understand the influence of personal experiences. Reflect on how your personal history influences your financial behavior. If you've faced economic challenges before, you might naturally gravitate towards more conservative choices. Balance your experiences with the present market conditions. If your approach is too cautious or too bold, seek diverse perspectives to broaden your understanding. Step 3. Cultivate self-awareness. Regularly evaluate your financial goals. What does enough mean to you? Understanding this can prevent the trap of constantly chasing more. Recognize the limits of your financial knowledge. If there are gaps, consider self-education or consulting experts. Step 4. Embrace simplicity in financial strategies. Adopt simple, effective strategies like dollar-cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market fluctuations. Consider broad-based index funds for a diversified, lower-maintenance investment approach. Part 2. Wealth versus riches. Now, let's delve into the intriguing difference between wealth and riches, and how to build sustainable financial success. Step 1. Distinguish wealth from riches. Start by understanding the difference. Riches are about high income and visible luxury, while wealth is about accumulating assets that provide long-term security and freedom. Reflect on your financial goals. Are they more about showing affluence or building enduring wealth? Step 2. Recognize the illusion of wealth. Assess your spending habits, especially if you have a high income. Are you spending extravagantly at the cost of building real wealth? Redirect your financial habits towards savings and investments. This may mean embracing a more modest lifestyle for long-term gain. Step 3. Focus on freedom as the ultimate goal. Shift your goals towards achieving financial freedom. This includes freedom from stress, freedom in career choices, and the liberty to follow your passions. Implement strategies that enhance your freedom, such as building an emergency fund and reducing debts. Step 4. Adopt a long-term perspective in financial decisions. Approach financial decisions with a long-term lens, focusing on investments that promise steady growth over time. Select investment options that align with long-term wealth building, like low-risk assets with potential for consistent growth. Step 5. Associate wealth with happiness. Realize that true happiness stems from wealth, not just riches. The cycle of earning and spending can often lead to stress and dissatisfaction. Regularly reassess your financial choices to ensure they contribute to your overall happiness and well-being. Part 3. Risk and uncertainty. Next, we tackle risk and uncertainty, two critical components that can dramatically shape your financial landscape. Step 1. Understand risk versus uncertainty. First, differentiate between measurable, manageable risk and unpredictable, unquantifiable uncertainty. How do these factors play into your financial choices? Incorporate this understanding into your investments. Manage risks through strategies like diversification and accept the unpredictability of uncertainties. Step 2. Prepare for the unpredictable. Reflect on historical financial crises to understand the potential impact of unforeseen events. Create a financial plan that's robust enough to handle unexpected market changes. This could mean adopting a conservative investment stance or staying flexible in your approach. Step 3. Build a safety margin. Establish a safety net within your financial plans. This includes adequate insurance coverage and a diversified investment portfolio. Continuously review and adjust your safety net to match your changing life situations and economic landscapes. Step 4. Embrace long-term planning. Make financial decisions with a long-term perspective in mind, prioritizing steady, long-term growth over short-term gains. Maintain flexibility in your financial strategies. Be open to adapting as needed based on evolving market conditions. Step 5. Get comfortable with financial uncertainty. Cultivate a mindset that accepts financial uncertainty as a natural element. Not everything in the financial world can be predicted. Focus on what's in your control, like your savings rate and investment choices, instead of fretting over unpredictable market movements. Part 4. Long-term financial mastery. Let's explore how to master long-term financial strategies for sustained success. Step 1. Leverage the power of compounding. Educate yourself on compounding's long-term impact. Invest time in financial literacy to grasp this concept fully. Start investing early, even in small amounts. Over time, these investments can grow substantially thanks to the power of compounding. Step 2. Avoid short-term market timing. Understand the pitfalls of trying to time the market. Look at historical trends to see the effectiveness of long-term investing over short-term market plays. Adopt a long-term investment strategy focused on consistent growth potential rather than quick gains. Step 3. Minimize the impact of emotional decisions. Be aware of how emotions like fear or excitement can lead to rash financial decisions, especially in volatile markets. Create a plan to manage these emotional influences. Set clear rules for your investment actions and consult with a financial advisor if needed. Step 4. Cultivate financial patience. Appreciate the importance of patience in financial planning. Remind yourself of the benefits of remaining invested over long periods. Resist reacting to short-term market ups and downs. Stick to your long-term investment plan, even when the market is tumultuous. Step 5. Align investment strategies with long-term goals. Define your long-term financial goals clearly, whether it's for retirement, accumulating wealth, or funding education. Select investment strategies and assets that support these long-term goals. Opt for stable growth investments that match your long-term plans. Part 5. Overcoming social influences in financial decisions. Finally, let's tackle a critical aspect of financial wisdom: navigating the tricky waters of social influence in our financial lives. Step 1. Resist the keeping up with the Joneses syndrome. First, let's recognize the societal pressure to spend for appearances. Look back at your recent purchases. Were they truly for you, or were they to impress others? Make financial choices based on what you need and your long-term objectives. This might mean crafting a budget that prioritizes your essential needs and future savings, rather than mirroring someone else's lifestyle. Step 2. Mitigate the impact of social media on financial decisions. Be conscious of how social media skews perceptions of wealth and success. Remember, online life is often a highlight reel, not the full story. Limit your exposure to social media that makes you feel financially inadequate. Instead, focus on your unique financial path and celebrate your own progress. Step 3. Understand and navigate cultural norms about money while staying true to yourself. Learn how cultural norms can shape financial habits. Your background might influence your approach to saving and spending. Adopt financial practices that resonate with your personal values, even if they diverge from cultural expectations. Don't hesitate to explore diverse financial viewpoints. Step 4. Avoid FOMO in financial investments. Be alert to situations where the fear of missing out might be driving your investment choices. Stay wary of jumping onto investment bandwagons. Craft a disciplined investment strategy rooted in research and long-term goals rather than succumbing to the latest investment hype. Step 5. Resist peer pressure in financial choices. Reflect on your investment decisions. Have they been influenced by peers or trends rather than your own research and plans? Ensure your investment decisions are grounded in thorough research and align with your financial plan. Consulting a financial advisor for an impartial perspective can be a wise move. And there you have it, 5 crucial parts to mastering your financial journey, inspired by the psychology of money. Remember, true financial wisdom isn't just about the numbers. It's about understanding yourself, your goals, and the world around you. If you're intrigued by what we've discussed and want to delve even deeper, the book itself is packed with insightful examples and in-depth explanations. You can grab your own copy by clicking the affiliate link below. It's not just a read, It's an investment in your financial intelligence. For more insightful content, remember to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Here's to your financial success. See you in the next video.